gosh, that tasted terrible. Welcome, all you ClickBankers out there. I know you're super excited because today we are going to give you the top 5 business offers, E-Biz. And this is something that you really should be focusing on right now because all E-Biz is talking about opportunity to make money. I don't know if you guys have heard, a lot of people are talking about money lately. They maybe are making a lot of it, so they're telling you about it. A lot more people seem to not be making enough of it, but they want more of it. Needless to say, bad economy, scared economy means really good conversions in the e-business vertical. Why might that be? Well, for those of you who aren't familiar, e-biz is really the idea of making money online. What are opportunities or ways that you could passively make more income, primarily online? There are some out there that are going to teach you stuff that isn't online, but needless to say, the conversions for this are right now. It is almost like being able to go to somebody that just walked out of the doctor and said, oh my gosh, I'm way overweight, and you could offer them a weight loss supplement. In a bad economy, that is every single day. So with that, let's jump in and we're gonna give you our first offer of our top 5, and that is Scribble. So Scribble is made by an amazing client that we've had for a really long time, and he's a master of launching software products. This is a great product where it started off with a launch. I'll explain what that is in a little bit, but it is an evergreen offer. It does great for email. It does great on display. It does great for anywhere you're going to find people, whether they're a little bit younger. They could be from 25 to 35 looking to make money online because they're just like the normal grind isn't for them. Or a new segment we've seen do really well, especially with some of the low ticket stuff, where you're gonna be able to really advertise to 45 to 55 mid-level executives. These are people that are distressed at their job. They know they have skills, they have money, which is really exciting, but they're looking to stay working from home, not go back in the office. It's a really good opportunity. So this offer, I mentioned it was a software. This is a software that teaches or is able to give you the ability to get an ebook in a matter of almost minutes, right? You just click a button, you say what you want the book to do, and all of a sudden you have an ebook. So if you want to start making your own book, making lots of ebooks to really start an e-business, this is a fantastic offer and a great way to make it seem very easy. So you could go from noob to conversion if you happen to have a list like this. Some of the performance on here, it's going to sound a little bit lower. This is a really muddled list. It's also beyond the original launch period. Again, I'm going to mention that a little bit later in the video of exactly what that is if you're not familiar. So we see low EPCs at 0.06 and average payouts around $26. I would tell you that those numbers just aren't indicative of what this could be doing right now. And a lot of this is really more the functions of the traffic sources. We're seeing really soft display. So with properly dialing this in and sending your list, we actually tend to see these numbers go up quite a bit more and see those EPCs creeping up closer to $1 and the conversion rates well over that. So you'll see those numbers increase once you start running it to your list, but the time is now to test it. So let's move on to our 4th option, which then we're gonna mix things up and we're actually gonna go into the higher ticket realm. So this is a high ticket course that's teaching people how to make money using Amazon. It's called the Fiction Profit Academy. Fantastic offer. Now this offer is one that you won't necessarily see on the marketplace. It's actually tucked away, but it's been doing super large numbers through media buying. So this is a very unique offer. If you buy media, you could end up running this offer. One of the things that's really exciting about running this offer through paid media is the average payouts. So the average order value and the payout for this offer is going to put you in the $1,400 range. Oh, sorry, $1,200 range. So you're seeing a much larger payout, a much larger AOV, and between 40 and 50% commissions. That means your CPA could be incredibly high and you could run a lot of traffic as you funnel people into a high converting webinar. I know that's a lot of like info speak or all the technical jargon, but what this means is you're going to be able to send people to a free value-oriented video, which is really easy to gain their commitments, and these offer owners know how to convert. So they're going to convert your lead so you can get nice large commissions. This is a great offer, and it's a new type of offer we haven't necessarily had on ClickBank in the past, so it's a really exciting time that you could take advantage of that. So for media buyers out there that might be frustrated in health and fitness, or if you're just kind of thinking, I want my next big opportunity, this might be the great way to do it with the Fiction Profit Academy. So we're going to our next offer, and this one I think is, I might have a little bit of affinity for it because I only think it's such an amazing course. And this is John Thornhill's Ambassador Program for 2024. The great thing about this program, one, they're already changing up the vernacular. It's not be an influencer, it's not be an affiliate marketer, it's be an ambassador, which sounds so nice, but they're teaching a course that allows people to go and become ambassadors for the products that they love. Again, passive income, high quality, easy to understand. This is just a great offer to promote, whether it's to email, whether it's to paid media. The place where this actually tends to live best is when you're doing joint content. So if you have an audience you're talking to, you could share some of this information. You could share it through a blog, through a YouTube video. Things like that are actually going to be your best rate or route to go, because you want to have a bit more of an extended conversation. And for people in your target demos, this is going to be anybody that aspires to want to get some more passive income, but is comfortable to be the face of the way to do that. Great with females as well. So if you have a female list and some deviations. So if you're not in BizOp, but you're looking for more money, a great place to do this is actually in personal development and health lists. People that are oriented around improving are also sometimes very interested in making more money. The other thing is, hey, I just lost a lot of weight. I'm feeling good about myself. Maybe I'm willing to put myself out there and make money in the process. This course could teach people to do that. So again, because this goes off a launch model, some of the stats we have just aren't recent on it. So I won't share all of those with you, but I will tell you the average payouts of this, because it's high ticket, are in the range of $140, and that can be even higher on a rev share basis with the upsells that they have. So with the ambassador program, you're getting a really high quality product that's going to be fantastic for any female audiences. And with a large payout, you could even promote this one through paid media if that's something that worked for you and you wanted to try. So again, the ambassador program, a fantastic offer, but let's move on to our next one. I'm not a subscriber of somebody who likes to enjoy things that suck, but I do subscribe to things that are delightful, which isn't this cup of coffee. It is the episode that you're watching right now. So please grab that bell, rate, review, subscribe, and join to the channel to keep getting amazing content and not disgusting cups of coffee. Ugh. Oh, still bad, still bad. So we're moving on to our next offer, and this is great because we're gonna go a little bit into the lower ticket, but I wanna pause and tell you guys why this offer is so fantastic. This is one of our longest running BizOp offers that is maintained in the top of this vertical for what feels like a decade. It might be over a decade, and that's Write App Reviews. So the great thing about this is it's really just kind of paid writing. It's very, very simple. Actually, one of my clients had described this one time as a barbecue business. It's something that anybody could understand. You could explain it at a barbecue and they'd go, yeah, it makes sense to get paid to write reviews. And so because of that, this offer converts very, very well and is very stable and does well over time. Now, you're gonna see lower EPCs because it's a lower ticket with only an average payout of 14.67. This isn't necessarily gonna be great for your paid media because the price point's still a little bit lower, but for any email list, it's always a good drop. Again, you could be on a health list, you could be on a personal development list, you could have a BizOp list, male or female, but we find that writing tends to really gravitate towards female audiences. Getting a passive income, this is always worth a drop. And I'm gonna give you guys a little tidbit. Do it around when bills are due. It's a big area that people are gonna be concerned around the first of the month and the end of the month, where cost and the amount of money they don't have becomes very, very apparent. Drop something in there just on your email list. This is a proven winner with great quality rates. And one thing you could also feel really good about, you know that they're actually gonna get what they're sold right from the get-go. You don't end up running an offer for this long without having that kind of success. So fantastic one for all your mailers out there. I strongly recommend giving it a try. So I talked a little bit about this earlier on, launch model. So our next two, I know I said two and we only have top 5, and for those that are very good at counting that might be better at me, you realize if I said 2, that means we're gonna have 6 total offers. We do today, and that's because these next 2 offers are a little bit different. You heard me say the word launch and what launch means, or launch model. So in our parts round here, lots of these products want to create urgency. We want to make a period of time where people are just like, I gotta do this, I gotta take advantage right now, this is my one chance. And that's when you do a fixed cart launch model offer. So for a period of time, we're gonna say you have 10 days to buy this product. After that 10 days, that cart is closed, and too bad, you're gonna have to wait till next time. A very effective strategy when you're going high ticket. You don't wanna necessarily close a cart on something for 10 days if it's only gonna cost $5 to get a part of it. You're not really pushing too much scarcity. But if it was, maybe if that was a discount, but if it was something where this is the only time that we're going to share this information with you. This course is so selective. It is so private. You have a 10-day window once a year to be able to get in to this information that could change the course of the rest of your life. That sounds pretty darn compelling, and it is compelling, which is why we have these offers here. Now, I'm gonna share with you and talk about the offers, but these offers are not necessarily in a period where you will be able to promote them. So there's two things that you could do, and I'll share with you after the offers and how you could get interested in these, how you could get on list, how you could be on email list, and how you could be a part of the next launch when it happens. And I'll share that with you after we share these next two exciting offers. The first one, you might have heard of this before. This is definitely a very, very popular offer. The offer owner is, I think, out there. His name is pretty well known. I can tell you this product has actually created some of our top affiliates as well. This is a fantastic offer. It's great when you get around promoting it. If you could get on this one, the great thing is that the price points, an average payout of $748.89, EPCs, around $2. This offer gives you a lot of leeway. Think about that, guys. $750 on an average payout. You could spend a lot. And with really, really, really hot markets right now and people concerned about money, this could be the next big thing that feels like you're printing money in your bank account by promoting this offer. Again, email list, this does great when you're doing joint promos, and you're gonna see that often, because if you could accelerate trust, you could accelerate and increase conversions. So that's where that tends to be pretty popular. And this is a webinar funnel. So you're gonna be going from opt-in to a very long video delivering value, and then they close afterwards. But you still get commission because ClickBank, remember, we make sure that you get paid on time every time. So don't worry about that. Let's now go to the top BizOp offer. And I'm gonna step back. This has actually been one of the top offers we've had in this launch formula for many, many years. It's eFormula 2, but this is actually Steve Clayton, Aiden Booth. They are the guys that run this. They do a fantastic job every single year. So, and just to give you guys some of the numbers again, we're seeing very large average order values, payouts around 385, 66, converts better than pretty much anything else out there. They run a 10-day limited launch around the beginning of the year, every single year, and it does incredibly well. This year, focusing on basically business in a box with drop shipping. Click a button, build your business right after that. It's pretty exciting stuff, but it's already closed, so you wouldn't be able to take advantage of promoting this now. You might be thinking, how can I get a part of these amazing offers? I want to promote them next time they happen, and you can. It just depends on making sure that you get signed up. So there's two ways to do that. First, go to the affiliate tool pages on our marketplace. If they have a sign up or register link, make sure to register, get involved. You'll get direct communication next time the launches happen, and you could be a part of them. The other area, because sometimes there might not be a login, it might be who you know or just the timing. I'd recommend you go to a website, and we'll be sure to put in the details of this notes. It's called Muncheye, and it aggregates every large launch in our industry. So fixed cart launches, when they're coming up, from software to large courses, you'll be able to see when these are coming through. And if any of them have ClickBank on them as they go by networks, you're going to know that's a ClickBank launch, and good chance will be one of the ones that we discussed in these top two. And you could get signed up, you could follow, and you could find yourself, whether it's printing your next vacation, getting your down payment, or just having one of your first big wins by promoting these offers next time. So normally this is the time that we say, everything's good. We're so excited to have you here and talk about how great year, blah, blah, blah. Actually, today, I have a bonus for you guys. I know. Stop. Whoa. Don't. Was it stop the presses? I don't know. Whatever the old-timey phrase you want to use. We have an exciting thing today, which is a bonus offer. Whoa, 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 whoa. We'll have cool effects for this. I'm sure Dylan will come up with something cool in post. Maybe my face will explode. It'll be cool. But today I want to share with you guys, you might be struggling saying that, hey, well, these aren't the BizOp offers I'm looking for. I really want to capitalize on this desperation for money, and I just don't feel like I have enough offers right now. I have a bonus for you, and that is Billionaire Brainwave. This is currently our top digital offer that we have, but it's all around the idea of manifesting more money and making money. So it is perfect for any of these BizOp markets. They might not be super wooey, but it is super worth testing to your audience, dropping this VSL. It is getting great conversions. Like I said, it's one of our top offers, top digital offer, and you will be missing opportunity if you don't test this to your audience if you're in the BizOp space. Rate, review, subscribe, watch all our channel stuff, and definitely go back and give love for some of our new top offer folks. I know Lauren, Anna, and Kirsten did an amazing job let them know. Let them know how amazing they did, and who knows, hopefully we'll see even more of them and less of this. So until next time, guys, as my coworker would say, happy scaling and have a good one.